Hello, welcome to Missy channel. I always learn new tips and tricks or play around with my drawing to get cool ideas. And this time I learned how to draw realistic hairs without much effort. So stick to the end of the video. Okay, first I added a rough base. Then with a soft brush with 2.8 size I added strokes of a darker shade.
봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고
See, it's giving a realistic look.
이 맘 전하고 싶어. Then you ring my Valentine. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그
Here, draw some overlapping strokes.
With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I can see you through a little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던 Just like shining star. 서로 바라보는 이곳. I'll be always by your side.
Now add light strokes with the same brush and size of 1.1.
행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I've been waiting for a love like this. So
now add highlights with the same brush and 1.0 size.
그리고 나 우릴 감싸고 With you by my side. 지금 이 순간 서로가 마주하는.
Now add a darker skin shade in the middle of the hairline to give a realistic look. And add a black shade to the rest of the hairs.
내 진심을 내게 전할 수 있게 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야. You will always be my everything to me.
This was so easy, right? Go and try it yourself. And see you in the next video with another trick. Bye!